My name is Jonathan. I build the backend of the cloud product at Molecula. I was born and mostly raised in Hong Kong, got my bachelor's in chemical engineering, PhD in bioengineering. I mostly write Golang code to program Lambda functions, and I use Cloudformation and Terraform to provision cloud resources. Sometimes I code in Typescript for implementing integration and canary tests. I also set up Gitlab CI pipelines and write some bash scripts to automate deployment. And when I'm not coding, I'll be writing like documentation for design and architecture for new cloud features. Every once in a while, I'll have to like SSH log into like EC2 instances to debug issues in the cloud. I think the coolest thing about the cloud team is that we exist to make our feature-based service scalable to the whole world. You should really join our cloud team if you're excited about cloud technology, if you're a self-starter and motivated to figure things out independently. If you're already skilled, it would be great if you're patient and willing to share your knowledge and to mentor others. If you're new to the cloud, you'll be a good fit if you're willing to be humble yet courageous in asking questions. And ultimately, I think you'll be a great fit if you're curious and creative in coming up with solutions to solve complex problems. My favorite software package that I've ever used would probably be VS Code, because I use a bunch of extensions that I've installed to help me format code, help me check my syntactic errors, and allows me to easily refactor stuff. Yeah, it's probably the most useful tool. A fun fact about me is that I am a Go player, where Go is the ancient Chinese board game, and I used to teach at the Seattle Go Center. I also love playing Dance Dance Revolution as part of my workout routine, and my favorite food is takoyaki. Oh man, takoyaki is like the roasted squid, but with like a batter wrapped around it and a little bit of nori on top. It's like a sour sauce. There's like Japanese mayo and some sweetened soy sauce. It's like really delicious.